Justin, you're in the video. God damn it.
I'm sorry.
I'm just kidding.
Is it going? Are we good?
Yeah, it's going.
Is it going?
It's going.
Okay. This is my bike. Yeah. I got a brake lever here. You know, those times when you just need to stop and not go as fast.
Oh, shit.
You pull this, activates the thingy, clamps the bike. It's pretty handy. These are the cranks. You move those in 360 degrees numerous times. That's how you go.
Do you want me to go first?
That's about it, actually.
You don't have a frame. You don't have any tires.
I have this cool sticker,
No forks.
GoPro,
He's
I
not
don't actually
sponsored.
have
He
a
actually
GoPro.
sucks.
but I have the sticker.
Actually,
Stop! It's very disrespectful. Always driving by when I'm trying to film stuff. People these days, they're pigs, animals.
You're not going to tell us about your hub or anything?
That's why I'm a feminist. Anyways, besides the point.
Whoa!
I do in fact have
That was really loose. Shut
the fuck up, Justin.
I'm sorry.
What was I saying?
Your hub?
That's right, this hub here.
That
If you
magical.
notice, when I go backwards, no sound. Forwards, no sound.
Well, it sounds like it does, because Justin's dumbass.
Stop!
Faggot.
Cassette hub. Cassette hub for life.
So, backwards no sound, forwards no sound.
Cassette hub.
If you notice, just that sole reason, that's why I get so many women. Like, so many. Like, one. It's a lot.
Jordan Henson.
Like what woman?
Jordan Henson.
There was my mom.
Ooh. She's hot.
Your sister.
That's about it. No, she's gross. This doesn't come with the bike, but I think it's pretty cool. You can strobe it, as I showed in the safety check. I just think it's really cool. I got this thingy. It's kind of chrome. Stands out. Looks cool.
Anything else, Truman?
I have tires.
Yeah.
Whoa.
They look pretty cool.
Look at those. Red and black.
The tread says fit. Took me a while to figure that out.
I figured it out.
Took me a while to figure it out.
With my observant eyes.
But yeah, it says fit. It's a level 2, which is the highest level of bike.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's about it. Thank you.